Have you ever wished you could create WooCommerce orders directly from your Google Sheets? Well, now you can, and it's easier than you might think. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New. Search for FlexOrder, install it, and activate the plugin. To access the order creation feature, make sure you've activated the Pro version of FlexOrder. Once that's done, go to your FlexOrder settings and click on View Orders on Google Sheet. When your sheet opens, you'll notice a new menu at the top called Create New Order. The first time you click it, Google Sheets will ask for permission to run the script. Go ahead and grant it. After that, a pop-up will appear inside your sheet showing Checking Authorization Status. Once authorization is complete, a new window will open where you can fill in the details for your order. You'll be able to select products from your store, even multiple ones, and remove them if needed. The SKU and product ID will fill in automatically based on your selection. Then, you can enter the quantity, choose the payment method, and input customer information along with billing and shipping details. Once everything's filled out, you can create the order right from your sheet. What usually takes several steps in WooCommerce can now be done quickly and smoothly inside Google Sheets. Simple, powerful, and incredibly convenient. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel,